Good morning, ma'am. Okay, since I'm already assigned seats for you, I will only be checking your attendance based on our seating plan. Students who are not in their seats will be marked absent, alright? Okay. Seems that we have 5 students who are absent. I hope that they will be present the next time around because they are missing half of their life right now. Alright? Okay, now we see. Just like in our homes where our parents set rules to maintain order, in our classroom, we will also be setting rules. Would that be alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. If the teacher or someone is in front talking, what will the rest of you do? Yes, JB. Listen attentively, ma'am. That's right. Thank you, JB. You have to listen attentively. How about if there are activities that you will have to do today in our discussion? What will you do as students? Yes, Jennifer. That's right. Thank you, Jennifer. You will participate and cooperate. How about if you have something to say or you want to share your ideas? What will we do? Yes, Danny.
Raise your right hand.
Precisely. You will raise your hand. That's what you are going to do if you will answer questions or you share your ideas. May I add another agreement or rule in our classroom? Would that be alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Instead of saying yes, ma'am, I would like all of you to say sí, Miss Ma'am. Or in Spanish, that's yes, ma'am. I just twisted it with Miss Ma'am because in our generation today, we somehow call ourselves Miss Ma'am, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sí,
ma'am.
Alright. Okay. We will be minding all this agreements for our discussion today since our classroom is filled with students, so we have to follow all our rules to maintain order, alright?
Yes, Miss Ma'am.
Okay, that's the butterfly of rules. Now, I want you to get a 1/4 sheet of paper, and the direction is you must listen attentively to the audio recording and list or write down what you have heard in a 1/4 sheet of paper. Reminders, you have to check your spelling. Do you have your 1/4 sheet of paper right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Let's begin. Done? Alright. If you cleaned your ears earlier this morning, you will have a perfect answer. Alright. No more writing. Let's figure out. Change your papers with your seatmates, please. Okay. Let's find out your answers. If your answers are correct or not. Okay. Number 1. Not apply the not of the rules. Again, everybody, please read those 3 sentences because that will be our topic for today. No one is raising their hand. Let's spin the wheel. Tell me to stop, Andre.
Stop.
Okay, Ortega. What do you think is our topic for today based on the 3 sentences that you have answered? Yes, what have you observed from the 3 sentences? I'll give you a hint. Yes? Okay. Alliteration. Let's find out if that's correct. Yes?
I think our topic for today is all about
Homophones. Okay. Let's figure out our topic for today by guessing the hidden word from this photo. Alright? Guess the message or the word because that is our topic for today. Raise your hand if you have the correct answer or if you are guessing the word right. No ideas? I'll reveal the word. The word hidden in the photo. Yes, John Ray.
I think it's homonyms.
Very good. Our topic for today is about homonyms. Let's give John Ray a you rock clap. You know how to do that?
No.
You will have to follow me after this. You will do the rock clap like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and face to John Ray and you say, you rock. It's ready. 1, 2, 3, go. You rock. Thank you, John Ray. You have guessed our topic right now. Our learning objectives, because we have unlocked our topic, is about homonyms. Now, let us read the learning objectives because we will meet these objectives at the end of our discussion. Okay, please everyone read A.
Explain the distinct characteristics